Just a disclaimer that I'm not a professional, so I don't really know all the good tricks. Firstly, you will need to get some string, and just always get more string than you think you'll need. So I just wrap it around my wrist, and once I go once around, I go double around, so it's like 2 layers, and then I just get some extra just in case, because it's sad once you've like done everything and then you run out of string. Now usually I just start with the letters and what I'm gonna write. Today I'll do left and right. Okay, so I'll just get some clear beads. And I will just start putting them through. Now here you have to think about how it will join up when you link them together. But I'm going to do the same thing, which is now once you've finished putting on all of the beads, you want to thread the string through the beads one more time. This just makes it stronger and less likely to fall out all at once, I guess. And I kind of like it because it's tighter, so it fits nicely as long as you make it the right size. Okay, so I've finished that, and so you will have 2 string that go like that. Just hold it and like pull it down to make them even, and you just want to tie a knot. Just tie multiple. Grab, like, put this string underneath because you want to grab that second layer of string, and then tie another knot. And then put the one on here underneath and tie a knot. It depends on the type of string, but just in case it does come undone, I'm going to thread this one onto one string, one bead, and then I mean 2. I'm going to thread this string through 2 beads and then pull it back out. And then do the same for the other side, through 2. And out. Okay, now you want to circle back, and with this one, thread back through the first one, so you will go, the string will go over the second bead, and so you're back to the middle. Okay, now we're back to the middle. So you just tie another knot. You don't have to do this because it kind of gives a weird shape if, like, just by putting it, like, pulls these down. But if you make the string loose enough when you first do the knots, it's gonna be fine. Or just tie multiple knots to be sure, and it doesn't really matter because you can't see them because it's a clear string and the knots will hide underneath the beads. Okay, now then to finish off, you get your scissors and cut with maybe like a small amount left. And you just want to thread the string into the beads. It works best if you stretch it out and then put it in. So like hold both beads. So if you do this method, it's more secure, but you also have like it showing the string. It's really tight, but you just roll it on and then it fits onto your wrist perfectly.